Here students, again, the next topic, it is also very important. It is also a new topic to new concept for all of you. Till now, what we have done, we were dividing a decimal number by a whole number. I told you that your divisor should always be a whole number. It is compulsory. Your divisor should always be a whole number. So, but here our divisor is a decimal number. So the topic is division of a decimal or a whole number by a decimal number. So in this case, we will have to convert our divisor into whole number. So first I want to explain you how to convert decimal into whole number. Here 1.2 is a decimal number. I want to convert this 1.2 into a whole number. So we will multiply this 1.2 by 10, because here we have only one decimal place. There is only one number after the decimal. So I will multiply 1.2 by 10. So as we know, while multiplying by 10, 100 or 1000, we shift the decimal. So here we have 10, 1, 0. So this will be shifted towards the right side. So this number is 12, and I have told you, you can write this as 12. So now we have converted our divisor into a whole number. Now you can perform the division, but here there are some steps which you have to follow. So again, now I'm gonna start. This was a rough work. I'm gonna start the solution of this question. So first step, you have to write this as a fraction. 1.2. Depending upon the divisor, here we have only one decimal place. So we will multiply numerator and denominator by 10. Then only we will be able to convert our divisor into a whole number. So now let's multiply. So here 28.8 we can multiply by 10. So this point will be shifted towards the right side. So it will become 288.0 upon 12. Or you can write 288 upon 12. I'm explaining you again. Divisor is 1.2. So here we have only one decimal place. So that is why we are multiplying numerator and denominator by 10. अगर यहाँ पर डेसिमल के बाद दो नंबर्स होते तो हम 100 से डिनोमिनेटर को और न्यूमरेटर को और डिनोमिनेटर को 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करते, ताकि हमारा डिवाइजर जो है वो होल नंबर में कन्वर्ट हो जाए. So here we have 1.2. So that is why I have multiplied numerator and denominator by 10. So 28.8 multiplied by 10, you will get the answer as 288.0. We can write 288 upon 12, as I have told you, this way. So now we can divide this in your fair work. 288 upon 12, you can divide. This is the normal division. So we can divide it directly also. 12 2s are 24, 0, 4, get this 8 down, 12 4s are 48, 0, 0. So your answer is 24. So this is the method of dividing decimal or dividing of decimal by a decimal. I would like to explain you one more sum from your exercise only. Let's solve the first sum. The first sum is 0.288 divided by 0.6. Again, write down it as a fraction. Divisor is having one decimal place, so simply multiply numerator and denominator by 10. So in denominator you will get 6, because this point will be shifted toward this side. It will become 6.0, so we can write 6. Here in this case, this point will be shifted after one number, so your new dividend will be 2.88. I hope this step is clear to all of you. Now we can perform the division. 2.88 by 6, decimal over decimal. 6 zeros are 0. 28. 6 fours are 24. Get this 8 down. 6 8s are 48. So your answer is 0.48. This is the way of dividing. So some more examples to make your concept very clear. Let's take division of a whole number by a decimal. A whole number. Let's take an question number 17. 300 divided by 2.5. So in this question, our dividend is a whole number and our divisor is a decimal numbers. So we have to convert divisor into a whole number. Again, we will write it in fractional form. 300 upon 2.5. Again, after decimal we have only one number. Multiply the numerator and denominator by 10. So 300 multiplied by 10, you will get 300 upon 2.5 multiplied by 10. This point will be shifted toward this side. So your this. So now you can perform the division easily, and this division is very simple. You can solve it. 25 ones are 25. 0, 5. Get this 0 down. 25 twos are 50. 0, 0. Get this 0 down. 25 zeros are 0. Your answer is 120. So this is the method of dividing a whole number by a decimal number. So this was the simple questions which I have explained you, and you can solve these questions. One more example I would like to explain you of this whole number is, so exercise 5.16. Let's take the 16th sum. 963 divided by 0.015. Nice question. The question is little changed. So write down this in fraction. 963 upon 0.015. Here we have 3 decimal places. So now you will multiply numerator and denominator by 1000. 1000 upon 1000. So perform the multiplication. 963 multiplied by 1000, it will become 963000 upon simply closing your eyes, just write down 15, because we are doing this to make our divisor as a whole number. Simply multiply the numerator and your denominator will be a whole number. So now you can divide, and this division is very simple. You know the table of 15, so you can divide 15 6 90. So 6 3, get this 3 down. 16 4 15 4 60. 3, get this 0 down. 15 2 30. 0 0, get this 0 down. Here you will get two zeros. So your answer is 64,200. So this was exercise 5.16.